I stumbled on a treasure. It's worth to hide a measure. With bold stripe telling stories of tragedies and glories, of frustrating changing struggles, of heartache and trying troubles. Some stripes shared of triumphs, other scars left from giants. Some are beautiful battle wounds, worn proudly as a power rune. Scars show you're a survivor, solving problems like MacGyver. They show power and deep strength, that you cross the finish line length. Be proud of those stripes and scars. Your success is cheered up in the stars. We love taking random roads, and this VR getaway is exploring the toadstools in Kanab, Utah, and some random back roads in northern Arizona.
I'm so glad we came here this morning.
What am I seeing here? Look at those cool shapes. Oh, and there's a little nook right here. Wow, there's this tiny cove here. Just cute little guy.
I just like these diagonal stripes. And they change directions.
Really?
Yeah, like over here, there's kind of some flat shapes. The little paint marks are what I find interesting. There's a cross over here and all these just, looks like somebody went with a crayon and just drew all over these. That's cool. Aren't these great shapes?
Yeah. I love this place, honey.
I don't understand the geology that draws white stripes through red rock like that at different angles. It doesn't make any sense. And it's wonderful.
Totally looks photoshopped. Promise it's natural. I am so shocked at all this. It feels like someone took a paintbrush or a whip with paint on it and just started painting these. It almost feels almost more brutal. Like a whip with paint just went and slashed it. It feels like kind of slashing marks. Feels like there's a story that's behind this. These gradients are really interesting, how they just move from one, they look like a tapestry pattern. That is a cool picture window. Come up here and see it closer. This picture window is really cool because the foreground and the background are just really pretty.
Whoa. Check out these cool guys.
Those mountains in the distance look so pretty with the snow. Honey, look how cool this is. There's a zigzag pattern right there. Usually it is a really pretty balanced a little bit. I've not seen ones that are this lopsided. I mean, that capstone is hanging off so far this way, and it's hanging off so far this way.
Wow. Yeah, this capstone here is probably right there, or possibly on that one. It's just kaboom!
That is fascinating. Look at that spindly needle.
Is this for real? Oh. Oh, these stripes are so cool.
Do you see we have snow here in the desert? In Arizona? I'm gonna throw a snowball at you. Wow, you are so tall. Ah,
That's not something you usually see. Look how deep that black is. And so alternate between black and a brown and a white and a red. I can't believe all the different colors and stuff the patterns are seeing.
I'm really shocked at the pink layer. It's just so vivid. Living on the edge. Wait, no, Styx does one living on the edge, don't they? Is it Styx? Living on the edge, on the edge, on the edge, on the edge of the century. Oh, it's a living on the edge of the camera.
Here's my fun find. Look at these. They look like little cavern things. They're tiny mini ones. I think they're so cute.
It's neat to see it with a little snow.
Oh, it is.
It is. Isn't that neat?
I love how it's solid red and it's contrasting white.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
With kind of yellowish cliffs behind you.
From here.
One up on the cliff edge.
Where's that?
Big slab up there looks like it's just precariously balanced at a sharp 45-degree angle backwards. Huh. Oh, the cliffs are awesome.
This has got a little arch right there.
We found a peephole on this one. The chalky white substance here, guys, it just feels like powdered chalk. It's so fine. Wow. Oh! There's a crow or a raven on top of that sandstone pillar. The main toadstool over there has got a little part. Did you hear him? For some reason I feel like quoting an Edgar Allan Poe poem. Thus quoth the raven, nevermore. Thus quoth the raven, nevermore. Boom doo 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 boom 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 boom. Do you know that one?
I don't.
Da, 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 da. Ba-da, boom, ba-da, boom. Alan Parsons Project.
Oh!
Da, 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 da. He's putting on a show. That was neat.
Whoa!
Look at all the texture. Well, it's the soft white sandstone from above pouring down in the water and getting caught all over the textural detail of the red rock below. So it's not in the rock, it's just like a surface dusting.
See how cool that is?
Of all these overhanging bits. That transition from red to white is so stark.
It is. It's like an alien planet.
I feel right at home here. Because I'm kind of an alien type of dude.
I'm loving this. These toadstools are so cute.
Oh,
Wow.
look at that shot.
Oh, that is so awesome.
Oh, these are neat. What a neat little spot.
It looks like we found a little treasure right here.
Look at the sunlight coming in. Oh, what a neat place right here, this cove.
Looks like a waterfall stream. It's mud. Mudfall?
Oh, that sun feels good.
Woo! Come on. Woo! That was wimpy.
Woo! Yeah!
Wow. but this one fell over.
Yeah, this is a really good example of a small capstone. You can see the circular shape. The water just erodes off the edge, and then there used to be a little, just right here, a little hoodoo. It fell down and cracked and broke, so here's some other pieces from the edge, but it used to be kind of circular. I just can't get over that red streak. It's like not a solid streak. It gradates from white in this beautiful gradient down to red, and then it stops and goes back to white.
Nice big dark black, and then you got brown, and then orange, yellow, white, and red. I can't believe how gray and kind of gloomy this one wall is. Is that really like a hole in that cliff then?
Yep. Nice little window arch.
Cool.
This is one of my favorite views in the southwest.
As I end this VR getaway, I wish I could share all the lessons I learned from nature here. But I will sum it up by saying that it is shocking the beauty that can come from hard challenges. The growth, wisdom, and connection with the light that can come when you overcome hardships will be something that can make a diamond out of your life. Sending love and positive vibes your way. Hope to see you again real soon. Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next amazing VR getaway. Bye now.